What is up, guys? Welcome back. Today's episode, we're doing a review on this Preview 26 Stealth Cam. I actually could not find any reviews on YouTube for this thing, and it's kind of why I'm doing this. I believe it's all new for 2021 or 22. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong. But I already put one in the woods. We're going to review that footage in about a week in this video, so you'll have to stay tuned for that. The retail price for this was $240, I believe, $220 or something, $240, $220, and I got this for $110, so that is a 50% discount or more. So that's kind of why I got this. As also, I can't speak right now, so let's unbox this thing and show you all the feature. But before you get too far down the road in this video, you're gonna need 8 AA batteries and a SD card under a 32 gigabyte. Alright guys, so let's unbox this thing. A very plain box. I don't know if you can see the specs on this. Those are the specs. Very plain box. So if we unbox this thing, come to the back, we got a strap, a camera, decal right here, imaging, whatever. Don't need those. Don't need the box. Let's just get into the camera. Alright guys, let's do this. 8th attempt at doing this. So here's your camera, guys. So the side locks are pretty tight and pretty snug, which I kind of like, so you don't have any ants or bugs getting through. Turn this thing open real quick. And I already preloaded all this. The SD card's already in there, so I can turn this on. And first off, you got the screen for your infield decisions. If you guys want to go out there, check a tree stand, if you want to hunt there, if this buck has been there in the past week or so, and that will make a decision for you and potentially help you kill the buck you're after. So one nice feature about it is the screen. It's big enough where I can see all of the timing. Let's show you how to kind of set it up. You got your on off button right here. So here it is. It is actually, the camera's on as we speak and everything, so it's real time. So let's get into this thing. So this little button right here will show you the photos, and really that's how you look at your pictures. Very easy and simple. So after that, if you want to delete something, you click this little menu button right here, and it says delete current file, and delete. And then once that's done, click a menu button again to go back from that, and then you can click the play button right here to get rid of this. To set up, you click the menu button, you go to camera setup, and we'll go to advanced settings in a second. But you go to mode, you pick your video or photo or time lapse. In this case, I'm gonna do video, and I'm gonna go to video resolution, and I'm gonna do it at 1280 x 720. Then you're gonna do video length. I'm gonna do 15 seconds, and my delay is gonna be 5 seconds. And then operation hours, I'm gonna do always on. You can do scheduled if you like. I'll show you kind of what that looks like here. And you can do your start and stop. You know, if you only want your daylight bucks on, and I'm not interested in that, so we're gonna do always on, and then we should be good. Then you go back to menu, and then you can go to advanced settings. You can see that. And then you can do set date. That's my date right now. Already set it up. Time, I don't really know the time. Whatever, but you know, set time up and down. How many hours right now, but you know. Then time zone. You can do Eastern, whatever you are, I guess. Eastern time format. 24 hours. And then camera name. I got it at Stealth Cam. That's what it comes with. And then temperature unit is Fahrenheit for me, or 4 Celsius, but Fahrenheit. So that's pretty much it for this easy setup. It's a very simple setup and effective setup. You can go into depth with your operation hours, or photo, video, whatever you prefer. But for me, it's just simple, easy, and effective. And that's my opinion on this. We are going to check in on about a week and show you the footage it comes up with. Alright guys, it is like 4 months later, and we're going to be basically showing you guys the photos of what we came up with. It was out there for it was a little over 3 months, and then I took the card out, haven't got around to filming, or I was just lazy and I haven't filmed yet. And I'm finally doing it. Nothing real exciting the first 3 months, and then I took SD card out there and put it back, and within 4 days we got some better photos of a nice buck, you could say, and I'm just going to show you those pictures. Alright, let's get in the first photo. Actually, yeah, we'll go ahead and go. Just start here. I've already gone through all of them. But I'm just going to show you guys the quality and basically dark versus light photos. Let's go back. There we go. Here's a deer. So here's just a doe. It's pretty good quality for, I forgot to say this in the beginning of the video. It comes in a pack of 2, and I put one out. That's why I only had one unboxing, because I kept one in the box. So if you guys are still wondering if it only is one camera for that much, I did get it on sale. So I don't know if I said that in the beginning of the video. I can't remember. But here's a doe. Pretty good quality. It's at night. It's probably close to 6 to 8 feet away, actually. Or no, yeah, close to 6 feet away. There's a mock scrape up here. And let's go see if there's any bucks I can show you. Oh, my bad. Go here. Here's a pretty small 8-point. But pretty good quality. It's walking, so it's stinging my hair. It's walking, so it is doing movement, and it has a great photo. You can tell clearly what it is. Not grainy really at all. Let's see if there's another photo. He's looking at the camera there. It is, I believe it's black light. It's not red coming out of the camera, so it doesn't affect the deer, I believe. That's that little 8-point. Let's go. There's another buck. This guy, so here he is at the bottom left of the middle left side here. I know what buck this is. Pretty nice. I'll show you a better photo, but that's pretty far away. You can tell what he is. Now if he comes closer, you can actually see. We have a daylight photo of him too, I believe. He's still coming towards the camera. You can tell there's actually 5 points on this side. I can't tell there's a brow on it, obviously. This side looks like it's kind of a fork in this photo. And here he's up closer. You can tell a lot better here that he has clearly 4 or even 5 there. And maybe a 3 or 4, I don't know. But not bad photos for, really, it's not bad photos at all. Cheaper cameras have had problems with the date getting set off over a period of time, and the date and time's fine. So that's one nice thing about these that I've noticed. Here's another photo of him. Let's go just kind of skip ahead and get to the daylight photo of him. So here he is in daylight coming by. He's walking by. And you can tell it's the same one because he has, I think it is, because the G2 is really big and really long compared to his G2. Did I say G2 twice? G3 and G2 are very similar, and this one has like that 3 or 4 with that broken off piece, and the other one has a 5. So it looks like the same deer. Let's get it. There's another photo, but he doesn't really turn and look at the camera, so it's hard to tell. But it looks like he has, you know, yeah, 2 brows. So he's you could say right there, he looks like a 8 or a 9. My bad, 9, a 9 point. But pretty good quality photos. I mean, nothing to complain about. I would definitely recommend these. And also, raccoon, but yeah. So, I would definitely recommend these. They're new for 2021. I just looked up YouTube like a couple of weeks ago, and there was a kind of a review on these guys. In the beginning of the video, I said I didn't find, because I didn't at the beginning of the video, I didn't find any reviews for these because they're brand new. But I think there's already been some videos out, so I'm kind of late to the game, but it is what it is. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely recommend these. If they're on sale, I would definitely try to get them if I were you guys. If you're looking for even a present for Christmas, because Christmas is coming up like crazy. So please subscribe. I'm gonna try to be posting weekly, starting here soon, once a week, because I'm trying to get a lot more subscribers. I'm trying to build this YouTube channel up. So if you guys would please subscribe, give it a like, give it a comment. What can I do to improve my channel? So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.